With the system built with Grip, we have doubled the speed of content production, delivered over 3 million content variations to our market, boosting local responsiveness. I am Global Head of Digital Experience and Content at Moët Hennessy. My role is to translate e-business ambitions into data-driven consumer journeys for our maison and markets on third-party platforms. And one of my top priorities is to overcome content bottlenecks to create more immersive shopping experiences with innovative content solutions.
I'm the Global Digital Content Manager within the e-business department at Moët Hennessy. My mission is to streamline and enhance content production within the organization.
Our e-retail challenge isn't just about volume, it's dual. Number one, creating smart, fresh content that resonates across 25 maisons and 70 markets. Number two, scaling smart by providing a solution that is genuinely viable and easy to use for our maisons and markets.
Over the past 2 years, I focused more on innovation, so exploring and testing how we can implement new technologies such as 3D and AI to see how we can redefine the way we produce content within the organization and scale digital assets.
For different consumer touch points, more and more different type of content that are needed for the daily operation of the e-commerce. So that's the number one challenge. The number two challenge is because we are operating multi-brands. At the moment, the content that is needed for multi-brands, we don't really have a lot of them.
As a creative director, we have to ensure a certain quality in what we are doing, but it's more to find the right relevancy across a globe, but also for each market.
We identified the need to a new approach to content creation with the exponential growth of personalized content driven by evolving consumer expectations.
To solve these challenges, we wanted to develop a scalable system that could deliver quality content at scale with flexible product assortments that can also deliver tailored messages while assuring efficiency. We wanted an end-to-end solution that's both powerful and efficient. That's why 3D and Gen AI seems to be like the perfect starting point.
As our market's evolving and consumers are increasingly seeking deeper engagement and compelling stories and dynamic visuals, we really recognize the shift and understand the benefits of 3D and Stage AI. So whether it's for social media, out of home, and accounts, it's something that is growing.
It was important for us to make sure the platform will coexist in harmony with the other systems we have in the asset value chain, especially with our DAM, the digital asset manager, that will centralize all the assets before distributing them to all other channels. It was important for us making sure that we allow the interoperability of all the 3D files we developed with Grip. We want to display 3D experiences in product configurators. We have 3D players on some displays in stores, etc.
As a visual creative manager for Moët Hennessy, my role in this project was mainly to make sure that our visual was respecting all of our guidelines. We have a new brand platform for the brand, so I was really caring about this quality of execution and make sure that the visuals are perfectly aligned with our new brand platform.
Grip has been instrumental in the success of this project. Through a collaborative approach, we have built a custom solution ideally suited for our global e-retail needs.
Once the content is created, it's integrated into the Grip platform, and markets then can pick and choose the different product assortments, different food pairing, and they can download it immediately.
We have the rosé champagne wine, the pack shots, or some of lifestyle sets, but we don't have enough consumption scenes, especially with cherry blossom. We request to the robot team to provide this kind of assets adapting to the Japanese market.
So in this project, I was also mainly focused on the artistic vision, and I had to do an artistic brief about which lighting I wanted to have, what kind of environment I wanted to have.
The setup of the platform was really straightforward. At first, we focused on cybersecurity with the implementation of the single sign-on, which was the basics for us. The second step for us will be the implementation of the integration between the Grip platform and our digital asset manager. So every time new assets are created in the platform, they are automatically pushed to the rest of the ecosystem.
Grip enables us to create quality content at scale. We are finally starting to break through the content bottleneck and delivering consistent experiences globally. We're seeing significant gains in efficiency and localization. This centralized approach has fostered remarkable agility and collaboration.
The possibility to swap elements on the platform, on the different content templates, is really one of the key features I like the most about the tool, because it allows us to have multiple content for different occasions, and extend, of course, the lifetime value of our content production. This collaborative stream resulted in content creation for multiple markets with multiple combinations for multiple purposes. So what's truly amazing about the tool and the new content production is the agility we've gained. So now we can create and deploy content much faster to be also more culturally relevant. And it allows us to meet the e-retail landscape demand and try new digital trends, which is super exciting. This translates to faster time to market and being, of course, more competitive.
Having that set of centralized 3D assets has really ensured brand consistency across all of the different teams. It's streamlined approvals, making things go by so much quicker by having pre-approved perfected bottle renders already. Having these 3D assets has saved us a lot of money because we don't have to create those, and working with agencies oftentimes that is one of the larger costs.
On the platform, we are now able to create almost 3 million combinations thanks to the templates we developed. So it's huge because it allows us to be locally more relevant. And we can also reuse the templates and the content we created, so extending the lifetime value of our production.
Leveraging the existing 3D bottles assets, we were able to really deliver these dynamic animations for Moët and Chandon, specifically the Chandon Nectar Imperial Rosé. And by using those assets, we're significantly reducing the production cost of having to rebuild them in 3D and just the approval time process. So,
there is an infinite possibilities with the platform, and they can really personalize each visual to make sure that their needs are complete.
The tool is very easy to use, making it accessible for any type of position or role within the organization. The impact Grip had on our content production efficiency has been remarkable. With the Grip platform, we significantly reduced the time and resources required to create qualitative and localized content.
It's so flexible, so agile. It's very new to the industry, it's very new to luxury. So we are really pushing boundaries.
With the system built with Grip, we have doubled the speed of content production, delivered over 3 million content variations to our market, boosting local responsiveness.
Content production speed has doubled, allowing us to deliver millions of variations.